Today is December 31st, 2018. This video is gonna end on December 31st in 2019. A lot's gonna happen. As of right now, we have no idea what's in store except for our wedding June 9th. So it's gonna be pretty exciting to watch this year in review. I hope you guys like it, and we'll see how it turns out this year. Yeah.
Today I am eating a thin crust slice of pepperoni pizza, extra most bestest, from Little Caesars Pizzeria. Pizza! Now this slice of pizza is almost gone at this point, but it has many layers of pepperoni, it has some cheese, and it has sauce. Now it's a little lacking on the sauce, and the sauce that is there doesn't have the best flavor. Hot Page.
I tell a man's not hot. I tell a man's not hot. Girl told me to take off jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot. I tell a man's not hot. I tell a man's not hot.
You know, duck. Hot like Ashley. He's got a hug.
We came down this aisle again.
Hammer it. Twist it. Drink it.
Why don't you get one? Hey Nigel.
Some people think I'm acting words for word. Suffice to say, this is a quaint affair. But no one really knows me like that. I'm watching that and I'm sure you'll
Okay,
agree.
wait. Hey Wes, what are you moving there?
Nigel. Oh, it hurts. It hurts.
Nobody knows what I see. Nobody knows I'm waiting for you to Blocked at the moon amid an empty street. We felt the remnants of the evening heat. Said Harvey, let me be the one to say I wouldn't dream this any other way.
Well, we have witnessed your love and commitment to each other, and it's beautiful, right? It is now my privilege to conclude this ceremony, and you may celebrate it with a kiss.
This is our apartment. Here, I'll start from the door. This is our door. There's Jace's bike on the wall. Our dining table. It's Nigel and Jace. Our TV, Jesus' guitar, our couch, generously donated, as is our table. Got our Keurig. Hello. And our bedroom. There's Jace's desk. The office is on. And we have a little backyard.
This is going on Yearbook.
Let me love you tonight. Cause I'm a real speed racer, so I gotta get to know you alright. Give me loving tonight. Well, she's a real cool sister, but I'm thinking she's a little tight.
She's a word, like it, but a look. I'm surprised at the time that it took.
Okay.
But it's fine, as I'm just coming off after all.
Baby, let me tell you what I think is gonna happen tonight. I wanna be a keen kiss and never letting you get out of my sight. Name another reason why I shouldn't be a lover tonight. Well, you can tame the speed racer, but he's putting up a fight.
She's a word, in the mood. I'll go back for the guys in the room. They think I'll go my whole so too soon, but I don't.
Only need your love for one night. Only need your love for one night.
Hello, future me, 2020